In this video, you'll learn how to disconnect Calendly from Close CRM. By following these steps, you will successfully remove the integration between these two platforms, ensuring that your scheduling preferences are no longer linked. Begin by navigating to your Close CRM account, open your web browser and go to the Close CRM website. Once the page loads, locate the Inbox option in the main menu. This section is where you manage your tasks and communications. Click on Inbox to access your task list. Next, look for the settings icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a gear or cog. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. After entering the settings menu, find and click on the Accounts and Apps option. This section allows you to manage integrations and connected applications. Once you select Accounts and Apps, you will see a list of all the applications currently linked to your Close CRM account. Once you're in the Accounts and Apps section, look for the Edit icon next to the Calendly integration. This icon generally appears as a pencil or an edit symbol. Clicking on the Edit icon will open up the details of your Calendly connection. Now click on the Remove Account button. This action initiates the disconnection process from Calendly. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to proceed. It is important to confirm this action as it will remove the integration. After confirming the removal, you will see an option that states, I want to completely remove/delete all imported from Calendly event types from Close. Selecting this option ensures that all associated event types are also deleted. Finally, click on the Confirm and Remove button to finalize the disconnection process. This step will complete the removal of the Calendly integration from Close CRM. Once you see a confirmation message indicating that the account has been successfully removed, you have completed the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.